Now then everyone, how are you doing? It's been a little while since I've done a video. Just been very busy, and I've been mainly doing stock for garden centre stuff like that, so there's nothing really been super interesting for videos. Anyway, I'm doing something a little bit different on this one for me, something new. I'm going to make some planters. Well, tell a lie. My good friend Nick over at Wavy Wood Sawmills, he's making the planters, and I'm doing the carvings what will be fixed to the back of them. So a little collab, if you will. So I'm going to get 3 backs made up initially. I don't actually pick up the planters until tomorrow, so I thought if I can make a start on the carvings, and then as soon as I pick up the planters I can literally just bolt them on, and then jobs are good. So I'll quickly show you what I've got in mind for the initial couple of planters. So hello Paddy, hello. So the planter is only 500 wide, and in total with the legs about 350 high, so that space there is left for to go behind the planter. And I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to do 2 owl ones, so left and right. So this one, we just got to take out this perimeter shape, and then it's just a simple sort of relief carving. Next one, same again, void there for the planter to go in front of, and then I'm just going to do a simple little bee design, and maybe a little flower. And then the last one is just another owl, but facing the other way. Again, void, and then we've got the owl shape there. So yeah, so what I'll do is I'll get those sections cut into 3, take off the perimeter, and then I think we'll see where we're at. So we'll get you on the stand, and then I'll probably see you once we've finished the first one. See how that turns out, and then we'll see how we do for time. We'll get another one done, and then yeah, so yeah, good to be back. Anyway, I shall speak to you soon. then guys, that's job done. So let's have a quick look, see what you think. So we've got 3 planters done. So I know I said at the start of the video the third one was going to be, I think, a bee and a flower, but I changed my mind. So I went with a Highland Q, which I think looked nice. So there we go, something different. Big shout out to Nick at Wavy Wood Sawmills. I think he did a cracking job with those planters. So it's nice that I get to do my bit of carving, which I enjoy doing, and Nick gets to do his bit, which he's good at, which is the joinery sort of work, and using his lovely big sawmills and whatnot. So yeah, I'm very pleased with them. So we'll get those out to a few different places, retailers, and see how they go. And then I've got some more what Nick's kindly making, so see what other designs we can come up with. So yeah, big thank you to Nick, and we'll see you on the next video. Cheers guys.